Alright, so today I'm going to be pronouncing some Malay ghost names. Let's go! Up first, the Penangal. Up next, the Hantu Raya. After that, we have the Jenglot. Then we have the Orang Minyak. And finally, we have the Jambalong Tana. Pronouncing Malay ghost names, part 2. Up first, we have the Pontianak. Up next, we have the Pokong. Up next, we have the Toyol. Up next, we have the Hantu Gala. And finally, we have the Hantu Air. Pronouncing Malay ghost names, part 3. Up first, we have the Hantu Laut. Up next, we have the Pelisit. After that, we have the Bajang. Then we have the Hantu Tetek. And finally, we have the Polong. So today, I'm going to be pronouncing some Malay creature names. Let's go! Up first, we have the Bunyan. Up next, we have the Tambuger. After that, we have the Naga. Up next, we have the Sular Biter. And finally, we have the Raksasa. Pronouncing Malay creature names, part 2. Up first, we have the Kelamba. After that, we have the Orang Mawas. Up next, we have the Jaden. After that, we have the Sembarani. And finally, we have the Burung Gentayu. Pronouncing Malay ghost names correctly. Up first, we have the Pontianak. After that, we have the Pochong. And finally, we have the Hantu Ayar. Pronouncing Malay ghost names correctly. Part 2. Up first, we have the Hantu Tetek. After that, we have the Toyol. And finally, we have the Orang Minyak. Pronouncing Malay ghost names correctly. Part 3. Up first, we have the Hantu Raya. Up next, we have the Jenglot. And finally, we have the Hantu Gala. Pronouncing Malay food names, let's go! Up first, we have the Murtabak. Up next, we have the Nasi Kandar. And finally, we have Lorbak. Pronouncing Malay food names, part 2. Up first, we have Ketaput. Up next, we have Air Tebu. And finally, we have Apam Balik.